He hates it when I go live. That's what that look was. But I wanted to show everybody how to paint like a professional.
You just messed me up. That's not funny. I haven't touched it. Don't say that stuff. Made my head swell, my vision went blurry, and I ended up touching the molding. I don't tape up moldings.
But you're professional.
You can't say that stuff while I'm doing it.
Because your head swells?
Yeah, my head swells, my vision gets blurry, and then I end up touching the stuff I'm supposed to tape up.
When you walk away from the radio, it comes in nice and clear. The radio don't like you.
Yeah. That's alright, because I don't usually listen to radios either. I like silence.
I live in silence all day.
The only reason the radio's on is for you.